Good morning, dear friends. My name is Emerson Vijayan. I have been a part of this Mind Liberation Control workshop conducted by Mr. Manojkumar Nair. We had this Mind Liberation Control workshop for 6 days, and we had marathon sessions. And even when this workshop ended, all of us wanted it to continue. It was so liberating, it was so empowering. Each one of us found a different meaning to what we can do with ourselves, our family, our community. Uh, the technique shared by Manoj to all of us, especially me, has broken a lot of shackles, and today I am empowered to dream and put to reality lots of things that earlier was difficult. Manoj has shown us the importance of us being independent, of doing things ourselves, and achieving what we wish to on a collective perspective. So, I for one am really grateful to Manoj Kumar Nair to have devised this mind liberation control workshop. Normally, till now, he would do it on a in a classroom basis, but because of this lockdown time that we are all experiencing at the moment, he has conducted this online. Although it was online, it was as if I was sitting one on one with Manoj in his classroom. He has been so patient. He has simplified and broken down every technique to a basic level so that each one of us could pick up and use these methods, these techniques, and this working for our benefit and the benefit of general society. So I for one, I will recommend anyone and everyone to enroll in the next Mind Liberation Control workshop whenever Manoj decides to have it. In fact, I'm going to be a part of the a repeater program. Whenever it happens, I will repeat this program a couple of times, maybe more times, because this is opening avenues to me in different fields. Due to lots of negativity and uncertainty in the past, one, especially we, I have tended to remain in my own shell. Now this mind liberation control workshop have given me wings, so to say, and I'm looking forward to excelling and doing my bit for society, family, and myself. So once again, I'd like to thank Manoj Kumar Nair for having invited me for this mind liberation control workshop, and I'll wish him always well in life for opening up lots of things for me in my life. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.